Hey gardeners, thank you so much for watching. My name's Ciearra and this is my account, The Thrifted Planter. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am doing a voiceover for this video. Now this video, I should have put this out a long time ago, but I don't know what happened. I kind of forgot about it and I just found it on my computer like, oh yeah, I need to do this video. I need to do the voiceover for it. So this video is in continuations of my Hertz garden haul, where I got a couple, well not a couple, quite a few proven winter shrubs. And this video I'm just potting them up. They were severely outgrown out of their 2-inch pots, and that's typical. These plants grow really fast and they outgrow their pots very quickly. So one thing about shopping at Hertz Gardens, I actually love shopping there. I know some people have had issues ordering online and getting, crappy plants, but I like to go and shop in store. And I could pick out my own plants, so I haven't had any issues with, getting terrible plants from them. I just go in and pick out the things that I, pick out the best ones. But I do know, like, walking through there, just kind of, looking through their stock, I can tell how people are receiving, some bad plants. If I ran a greenhouse, like, the way I nitpick over my plants now, I know my greenhouse would have like no issues, no brown leaves, no crispy nothing, no, pests, no anything like that, because I am so like always looking at stuff. And whenever I go to a greenhouse or a store that has plants, like I'm always just like, they could at least clip that brown leaf off, they could at least do this, they could do that, but not every place has time for that. And I get that. So I don't have any issues with shopping from them. And a lot, most of the time, like if I've ever had an issue with the plant that I bought online, most of the time they go ahead and like either reship you another plant or, give you your money back. And that's what a good seller should do. So not even talking about the plants I got, but I really love the plants that I picked out. They were plants that I have been looking for and wanting. You guys know I'm always trying to save, so definitely buying them in this size is good for me. I don't mind getting something small and watching it grow. This video actually contains updates on these plants, so you guys will be able to see that here in a second. But yeah, like I'm super happy. I actually I want to go back and buy more, especially of the Fairy Tale Bride hydrangea and the lemony lace. Like I want more of those, and Mr. Mustard. I want more of him too. So here's the update. You can see the Illuminati towers. They're still pretty little, but they are putting out new growth, and I cannot wait to see these two flower. They were on my wish list this year and I didn't happen to get them, and then I saw that Hertz Gardens had them for I think I paid $9.97, basically $10 for each plant in a 2-inch pot. So yeah, these guys are super cool. And I believe they changed the name because they had 2 different tags there. This says Illuminati Tiny Tower, and then there was just another tag just said Illuminati Tower. So all those little intricacies with plant companies. So this here is a hardy kiwi. It's a male kiwi, and I have a kiwi that I bought last year and it flowered this spring, but I didn't get any fruit. So I thought that maybe I needed a male kiwi. Hopefully next year we'll get some fruit off of the female plant. But this guy's growing like crazy. I have to get him on something. He's just vining all over the place. I have to find him a pole. I think I have some bamboo stakes somewhere. And this guy right here is freaking gorgeous. This is Mr. Mustard. And just look at that new growth. I love, love, love that color. I love that color. He's gorgeous. Now this, like, I would definitely buy a ton more of Mr. Mustard. Like, look at him. That new growth, like, come on. And the texture, it's crazy. So this is Sugar Pie. It is a gooseberry, and from what I heard from Hertz Gardens, Proven Winners is no longer carrying any of the gooseberries. I have no idea why. I don't know if they're just not performing well or not selling well. No clue. So this one right here is another gooseberry. This is solo, so that would be like the male plant. Yeah. And here's Fairy Trail Bride, Cascading Hydrangea. Like, guys, hydrangeas, I mean, can they get any more magnificent? Right here, I believe it's the Proudberry. And I cannot wait to see some berries on this plant. Now, they're not edible, but I bet the birds love them. This is my pride and joy right here. Look how amazing this plant looks. Like, when I first got it, it was just so small and so teeny, and it is growing like crazy. This is the Lemony Lace elderberry. Look at it. So beautiful. You know that's my color. Like that chartreuse, that bright green, close to yellow. Like, I love that. And even the baby leaves come in a little bit like with the orange tinge. So cool. This right here, Checkmark Trilogy. This one I should have gotten more of too, but you know, I tend to go back to my budgeting roots and like, oh well, it's $10, I'll just get one, you know, instead of buying. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.